Hey guys, Diamond Crunchy here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to turn off this little circle on your screen on Minecraft Pocket Edition, because it's really annoying and it's really huge on your screen. So let's get started. Make sure to subscribe and like the video, and yeah, alright. So first thing that you have to do is you click on the pause button up at the top of your screen, and then you see all this and you click on settings, and then you see all this and you scroll down, you click on touch, and then you click on split controls. So once you flip that on, you go back, and after that you just have an arrow, and you can hold down on the screen wherever you want, and it breaks everything where the arrow is. So it's way better, it's way smaller, it's way easier to see, and yeah, that's basically it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please remember to like and subscribe, and yeah, have a good day. Bye.